One of the best legacy you can leave for your offspring, for your children, for your unborn children, is to build your wealth through real estate. Over a decade in this industry, we have been able to help so many of our clients, both home and abroad, to build transgenerational wealth for their children. There is something that I want you to know, that a lot of people have been hearing, yes, I want to invest, I want to build wealth for my offspring, but I don't know how. Here is how to go about it. Number one is for you to have knowledge of what type of real estate investment you want to make. Do you want to make the residential in order to build passive income through A and B or shortlet, or rental income, or you want to build a commercial real estate for your children? All this plaza that you are seeing all over, all this shopping mall, all those things, that's what we call commercial real estate. You can decide to say, no, this Nigeria, a lot of people suffer hunger, there's no food. Okay, let me build wealth through agriculture. And you decided to say, no, I want to do my own real estate, build transgenerational wealth for my children by doing agriculture real estate. We have so many lands that are made for agriculture. Yes, food is part of the 5 major things that is so paramount in one's life. You may have a house to live, you may have so much to stay space to stay. Can you stay there without food? So that makes agriculture aspect in the area of real estate also a booming one. Right now, we have so many agricultural lands that we are selling, and it's selling very fast. When you own that land, you own it for yourself and for your offspring. So some people can say, no, I'm building my own real estate, not residential, not commercial, not agricultural, but I want to go into purely industrial. A client of mine called me and said, please, can you get me a place that I can do gas plants? So all those industrial real estate, you can do all sorts of things, because majorly that is what they are doing there. So decide today, which of the real estate investment portfolio do you want to build? And this will really help you. Thank you.